Justin, what are these machines you got here?
Well, these two machines are actually SMART welders. They're resistant spot welding machines. This is the new i4S with the smart technology on it. It's actually got a single side stud gun, or you can input like tabs for special moldings that have to be re-welded onto the roofs. And this is basically the newer version of it. They're both smart welders. When you go to weld a panel back on, you get the proper jaw for it, put it on there, you calibrate it, and it just simply clamps it and welds it together, just like it was from the factory.